Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a watermark to a document in MS Word. So click on Design. Here you will see option Watermark. Click on this drop down. Click on Custom Watermark. Now click on Text Watermark if you want to add text watermark, and also you can use picture as watermark. So in text, type your own text. Size auto or your own size. You can select text style, then click on apply. Close it. Now you will see watermark in your MS Word document all pages. If you want to set picture as watermark, so again click on custom watermark. Now select picture. Select your picture from your PC. Then click on insert. Click on apply. Then OK. So as we can see that your picture is appear as watermark. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by these simple steps we can know how to add watermark in MS Word document. Thanks for watching this video.